Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the XZL and it's some microphones here. These are UHF wireless microphones and we're going to try these out. I have a big speaker below me that we can plug into and give it a try. So let's see what we got here. So comes in a case like this. Let's open this up here. And there we go. We got some microphones and let's see what else is there. Let's see what all's there. So this is going to be the piece that's going to go into the speaker. We have a couple of the foam covers for the microphones, and then we have a couple of the microphones with the nice plastic stuff on it. And they are going to be rechargeable, I guess, by USB-C. What happens if I unscrew this? Are there batteries in there, or do I need to put any in? Oh, well, I guess just the screws to be the same thing. Okay, and am I even in there? There we go. So that's going to be for that and that and that. And then there's the on-off button right there, off and on. I guess it was already on. So it might need to be recharged to get it to work. I don't know. And then we have these converters here. So this is the one that's going to take it from this one here to the little 3.5 connector. We have the charger here that'll charge from USB to USB-C. And then we have two different color ones of these, so then we'll always know mic A from B by putting these on here. That's what I like to do. And we'll see our little logo there. So we can have this one, and we can have this one here. So let me go and try to charge this up. And then once this is charged, we will try to get it to work. Oh, it says, please remove the battery cover and pull the insulating film. Ah, look at that. It does have it. So there we go. And now it should be on. Maybe we don't need to charge it. Let's see. I don't know. We'll try. Do we have to do the same thing on this? No, that one just is on. But heck, let's try and let's see what we got here.
Power on.
Let's see. Let's get these on. This is on. On. See the little light is on the back of it. So we do have signal. Let's see. How do we get it? Maybe EQ? No. Not Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. And
Well, we don't want Bluetooth. Hello. Oh, it's just working. Look at that. Okay, so there we go. So now it works, and we are on. Hello, everybody. Thanks for coming. Both of them work. So these are the microphones, and they work. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how this works. So I just plugged this little wireless contraption here into my speaker, and magically they work, and it sounds pretty good. Sorry, I have stuff hanging from my phone. Okay, and then I can put, if I'm going outside and I need the windscreen, I can put the foam over it, like this, and then I can do an outside broadcast. Oh, I turned it off. And then I can do an outside broadcast. Very cool. So there it is. So I'm going to say these microphones are awesome. They sound really good. I am at max volume now, and it sounds good. So thumbs up for me.